Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to change the line color in Canva. It's a simple trick, but it can add a whole new dimension to your designs. Let's jump right in. First, go to the left-hand toolbar and click on Elements. In the search bar at the top, type lines. Canva will show you a variety of line styles including straight, curved, and decorative lines. Pick one that fits your design and drag it onto your canvas. Once the line is on your canvas, position it where you want. You can resize or rotate it to match your layout perfectly. Now, with the line selected, look at the top toolbar. Click the color swatch icon to open Canva's color panel. From here, choose any color that matches your design theme. If you want to add more style, scroll down in the color panel to find gradient options. Gradients can give your design a modern and dynamic feel. Select one, and Canva will apply it instantly to your line. Try experimenting with different colors and gradients to see what works best for your project. The right line color can really help tie your design together and make it pop. And that's it. You now know how to change line color in Canva, giving you another way to personalize and enhance your designs. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Canva tips and tricks.